ជំរាបសួរអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នា Hello everyone. Welcome to Khmer Learning Lab, a place to learn the Khmer language. My name is Manilyn, and today we're going to learn how to form basic Khmer words using letter Ga and the entire dependent vowels. Letter Ga is written here in red, and the vowels are written here in black. The consonant letter Ga is written to the left, to the right, in between, and below the vowels. Now, let us see what a combination between letter Ga and each vowel looks like, and how they sound together. Ga with sra a ga. Ga a ga. Ga with sra a gate. Ga a gate. Ga with sra a cây. Ga a cây. Ga with sra a cơ. Ga a cơ. Ga with sra a cơ. Ga a cơ. Ga with sra o go. Ga o go. Ga with sra o go. Ga o go. Ga with sra ua cua. Ga ua cua. Ga with sra a ca. Ga a ca. Ga with sra ưa cưa. Ga ưa cưa. Ga with sra ear gear. Ga ear gear. Ga with sra e gay. Ga e gay. Ga with sra I guy. Ga I guy. Ga with sra I guy. Ga I guy. Ga with sra ow cow. Ga ow cow. Ga with sra áo câu. Ga áo câu. Ga with sra cung. Ga cung. Ga with sra gum. Ga gum. Ga with sra gum. Ga gum. Ga with sra ga. Ga ga. Ga with sra go. Ga go. Ga with sra ga. Ga ga. Ga with sra ga. Ga ga. That is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next week. Bye.